It's not a secret what weapons, systems and equipment the Ukrainian military has. Where they keep it, though, most certainly is. This camp is top secret, hidden in woods in the Donetsk region of eastern Ukraine. Sky News is the first media organisation to ever film here. If there is going to be a resistance to an invading Russian force, it'll come from here. This is the country's main tank battalion in the southeast. As the tension continues to grow over a potential invasion, the tank crews are undergoing intense training. They're working on evasion tactics, knowing that they'll be outgunned by the Russian forces' more sophisticated equipment, and more importantly, its sheer numbers. The military's top brass are coming to inspect this base. The tanks are usually concealed in positions in miles of snowy forest. With a gas turbine engine, they sound more like a jet fighter than the old diesel-powered tank. These T-80B1V vehicles are upgraded versions of older designs. They're widely regarded as better than the tanks used by the Russians. And the Ukraine military has been taking delivery of as many as they can get since the separatist uprising in Donbass and the Russian annexation of Crimea. An investment that now appears wise.
These are the most sophisticated tanks available to the Ukrainian military. That's why they keep them hidden. It's going to be vitally important that they're operational and are kept safe in case the Russians invade. It's the best protection they've got.
The tanks carve up the earth as they maneuver. Bear in mind, it's pretty much frozen. Both armies could quite easily find themselves bogged down. It's not lost on any of these tank crews how intense things could get.
Everyone's talking about a potential Russian invasion. Are you preparing for this? I mean, has life changed at all, or is everything just carrying on as normal?
Підготовка на даний час стала більш інтенсивнішою, посилюються війська, посилюється нагляд за технікою. Всі можливості, які зараз, всі можливості склоняються до того, що екіпажі навчаються, техніка готується, всі в посиленому режимі та в режимі очікування.
Experts do not believe that if an invasion takes place, there will be actual World War II-style tank battles on open plains. Tactics and missile systems are different now. But in the current uncertainty of what may happen, absolutely nothing can be ruled out. Stuart Ramsey, Sky News, Eastern Ukraine.